Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to perform one of the tasks on Meet.io, and that task will be update of educational materials. To find this task, we simply go to All Tasks and make our way to the Educate category. When we've gotten to the Educate category, we click Show More to find the task we're looking for. You can see Task Updates, bracket open educational, bracket close educational. So we'll click it and read the details of the task. So the mission says, in order to provide educational material for mates and accordingly with the team, update a task in the project. And to do that, we are going to click the menu option, which is the horizontal three lines at the top left of the screen. And we'll further click on educational materials at the bottom and click on task after clicking on educational material. When we click on tasks, we'll see article ideas and video tutorial ideas. So we can click video tutorial ideas. So to suggest video tutorial ideas and endpoints, you can fill in the title and click save. And where if you've taken an idea and you've begun it and it's in progress, you can scroll to the next page, which is in progress, add it and click save. And there's also a third page, which is waiting list, and there's another page which is done. So you fill in all those spaces or all those pages in accordance with the status of the idea that you're working on. Either you want to suggest an idea or you're working on an idea or you finished working on an idea. Thank you very much.